Hello, welcome to our channel. If you had iOS 18 photo app and you want to fix it, so here's how to do it. Actually, you can restore the past photo app, the old photo app on iOS 18, but there's some settings that you can make to make it more professional. Actually, if you find this so messy in this photo application, if you find this so messy and if you find it annoying, then you can just remove it and make it much professional like the old one. You can tap on customize and reorder at the very bottom. You can tap on it, and from here you can actually uncheck all of them like this. I'm going to uncheck it all except the utilities, because you must need utilities and you must used to these utilities, so you can get some useful options in this utilities section like recently deleted folder. So you can just remain utilities and all of others are discarded here, and you can see it much like the old one and clean on your device. So that's how you can just somehow configure this photo application, and hope you don't hate it anymore. Thanks for watching. Till next time.